and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to bookmark Director's Print Suite to your Google Chrome browser. To start off, we'll load our Google Chrome homepage. Next, we'll type in www.directorsprintsuite.com and hit enter. After loading the sign-in page for Director's Print Suite, we'll hit the star for bookmarking. We'll name it and hit done. And next, we'll go to the three vertical dots, the Bookmarks tab, and Show Bookmarks bar. This way, you can see it from your home page of your browser.